Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over an article regarding Bitcoin ATM, crypto, and talk about what the article says here. And we're going to take a look at a couple of different cryptocurrencies and see how they're reacting to the news. So CoinCloud crypto ATM operator files for bankruptcy, owes over $100 million to Genesis. The company was in hypergrowth in January 2022. Now it has over 5,000 creditors and debts of over $100 million. Bankrupt Genesis is its largest creditor. CashCloud, the operator of CoinCloud digital currency automatic teller machines in the United States and Brazil, has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in the United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Nevada. We are announcing today that our company has filed for Chapter 11 reorganization. CoinCloud founder, CEO, and President Chris Makeover said in a statement provided to Cointelegraph on February 8th, the decision will allow us to rework our debt, protect the interests of our creditors, and emerge as a stronger, more financially stable company. Makeover said that the CoinCloud remained operational for our go-forward host and customers, had the support of its largest creditors, and was still optimistic about the future of cryptocurrency industry and our role in building it. According to February 7th filing, the company has liabilities between $100 and $500 million, between 5,001 and 10,000 creditors, and assets between $50 million and $100 million. CashCloud's biggest creditor is Genesis Global Capital, a subsidiary business of Digital Currency Group, bankrupt lending arm. It has an unsecured claim of over $108 million from Genesis for outstripping the largest claimant, which is owed over $8 million. Citing unnamed sources, Bloomberg reported on November 22nd that CoinCloud had received an unsecured loan of around $100 million from Genesis and was at that time in talks with it seeking additional capital to help it restructure a debt of about $125 million. Genesis was already under financial pressure, and it's not clear that CoinCloud received additional credit at this time. CoinCloud was a pioneer in its field, having been active since 2014. CoinCloud stated in a blog post in January of 2022 that it had over 1,100 ATMs at the time, and it was at a pivotal time in the company's hypergrowth. The cryptocurrency ATM industry experienced a sharp downturn in the second half of 2022. In addition, cryptocurrency had been incorporated into existing ATM in places, competing with purpose-built crypto ATMs. So, no duh, like why wouldn't you see that coming? That's kind of stupid if I'm being honest. Like, you don't think that the regular ATMs are going to want a piece of that if that's kind of like the big trend, right? CoinCloud claims on its website that it has more than 5,000 ATMs that handle over 40 cryptocurrencies. CoinCloud was ranked second worldwide by a number of ATMs when it had 4,800 machines, nearly all of which were located in the United States. In the statement, they said that the team had made drastic cost cuts to respond to the market challenges in order to maintain its company's profitability. Its relations entities include those in Brazil are not undergoing corporate restructuring and or operating as normal, he said. So, I mean, right here, in my opinion, this is like so crazy. So they basically got greedy and their eyes got really big whenever they saw the crypto market explode, kind of like right after the stock market. And I guess they just went nuts and thought, we're about to just take over the world, I guess, and went and put all kind of money into this and took out a bunch of debt. And then, boom, that's what happens. It's like it said down there, it's like a lot of other ATMs are incorporating it in already established ATMs. That's crazy. That is so crazy that, it's kind of like me opening a business and then something happens with the market where it gets inflated, based on some hype. And then I just go take out, millions of dollars of loans and thinking, okay, this is it. I'm going to take all this money out and I'm going to borrow it and I'm just going to blow my business up, and then all of a sudden the hype dies down and then no one wants to buy my product. And I'm stuck with a huge bill for, $100 million. And now I got to restructure it and figure out what the heck I have to do instead of just scaling up and being strategic about it. So Anyway, it's crazy. I just wanted to share that info with you. So let's take a look at Bitcoin and see how Bitcoin is doing here. Down about 2%. And we're down to 22,689 as of 6:15 Central Standard Time. And you see this is the daily chart. We'll take it the 7-day chart here. See a little downtrend for the 7-day. However, on the 1 month we're still up. On the 3 month we're still up. So this looks just like a pullback currently, which is healthy for an uptrend. You look at the 1 year, we're still down, and then year to date, we're kind of just basically consolidating around this level here. If we could hold at 22,000, I think that's a good sign for Bitcoin. We could come up and retest at 24,000. Now taking a look at Shiba Inu, and we're down 6%, and it's probably going to look pretty similar to how Bitcoin looks on the chart. Basically the crypto market's going to kind of follow Bitcoin. We're down on the day. 7-day we're actually still in the green. The 1 month definitely in the green, although we did give away a lot of our gains. We got all the way up to 4015, and then now we're down to 4013. And then if you look at the 3 month, still basically in an uptrend, but we have to hold. If we break below 40125, then you could see it fall right back down to basically where that run started at 10. And then you have the 1 year. We're still down. The 1 year actually looks a little bit more healthy than anything, because at this point it's a pullback. Longer term, we can continue to move in the right direction. That would be great. And then the year to date, we are still in the green. However, like I said, I think we have to hold at that 40125. I'm hoping we get there, maybe bounce, or at least get there temporarily, because I am looking to buy some more here at around these levels. But if I can get cheaper than this, then obviously that just means more to hold for the longer term. So let me see if there are any articles that we can go over for Shiba Inu that might be kind of relevant for us here. 1 second. If we can get it to load. Shibarium hype hits peak as 1.3 million while it's holds SHIB. Yeah, so people are talking about Shibarium's going to be released on February 14th. Is the rumor. Okay, that's been the rumor for probably about a month or so, I guess, and that's probably what may have sparked the the potential of it to start running like it has been. Is people think that Shibarium's coming out, and so they're getting all that now. If it doesn't come out on the 14th, then you can probably expect it to dip down some more, because people are the FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, and they'll be like, oh crap, it didn't happen, it's not happening, and they'll just sell off again. So anything about Shibarium, any type of indication that it's going to happen, is going to send this thing higher, and especially when it actually does release, it's going to send it higher as well, in my opinion. So we'll have to just kind of wait it out and see. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.